Ka Meghalaya hak arp kendai trik nailar ka Rakhe ka National Sports Day da ka pynkup burom me shispa lai pun ngut ki nongialehkai but arpo ngut ki coach ki balaya shimbenta hak 6th Meghalaya Games ka badang shukut shen da ka basam ru ki check lingba ka yes Meghalaya ka bakot sapusan laktingka shaki shispa lai ngut ki nongialehkai. Ya ka ni ka jing Rakhe bapelong da ka tanat sports and youth affairs ka sorkar Jylla haslong batura kabapen I ka jing ang no jong sorkar ban penroy ki sap ki phong bat pen klan hakabaya de ba ki jing te ki jaka yelehkai hakaleng ki Jylla. Ya ka yes Meghalaya las dang haus nam arja arpo ar lingba ka senjam bala shim da umentri rangba ka Jylla ukon rat ki sangma kum shibenta ban ai ka jing kershan pisa shaki seng samla ki society bat ki seng tremon sngobha hakaleng ki Jylla. Lapun mandor ya kan program ban pynkup bor ki samla da ki jing pen sungo tho pat ba ki jing a jing hikai bat ki kam ba pher ki ban pen klan ya ka jing a shimbenta haka em lang sa lang ba ka jing long nongelam happening ki samla. Ha ka jing keren umentri ka tanat sports ba shakler wardry ulapun paw ya ka jing kong san jong ka National Sports Day kum ka jing pen kan mau ya ka jing ko jing mut jong ka Jylla ha ka liang ka koi ke kya ka jinga don benta lang ba ka jingpun ko bori samla ling ba ki kam yalehkai sports ula ong na du usnam arjar khat pra katana sports and youth affairs klanang ki stand but what happening ki jing e ka sorkar ka sakhi ki jing job ki bakra ka jing thmu ka jongi ka long ban la on penmi e ki nongialehkai na ka Jylla ban let ya ai reng hak Olympic Games ka ban wan Menteri ula ongru baka jing say so hakaba pelong ya ka Meghalaya Games ka penshisha ya ka culture jong ka Jylla haka liang ka jing roy haka sport ula kdo ru baka sorkar klawan ra e ka jing kala ke bakong san lingba ki jing tei ki babha ka jing a jing kai ka batbin baka jing kershan ka bapen shlur bat ka bapen rong ru ya ka mensim jong ka jing IT baka jing long renti ka bakdo ya ka jing long jong ki nongialehkai ki bashisha da ka bakentu ru e ki samla ban shim ya ka wai pa ka wai ka kabu. Nalor kata ulapan benaru ban sedang ya ka mega fit phase 1 da ka jingbay tingka ka baningkong ka balong arpaw lak tingka da ka babanjur ya ka jindon kam bante ya ka Meghalaya ka bakoit bakya bar ka bakiw shakman. Menteri ulapan pawru baka Jylla shen kan sengi ki sports hostel ban penroy ki sap ki phong da ka jingmang ka ba shispa klur tingka ya ka baladap menjur na ka benta kani ka jingthmu. Ka pisa bala penlut kam day tang ka jing penlut hanroi ka jing bay tingka na mar nginget ba ka ni ka jing pun bor sports association bat na ka benta baro ki samla ong uba shakliar. Kat ba hatura ya ka ni ka jing Rakhe lawan sakhi lang da unipon hajong MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner West Garo Hills ubala banjur ya ka bor jong ka jing pen kala jong ka sport hakaban kintiw ya ka jing atli bat ya ka baha kamen.
As an elected representative, we all have to take an oath. And the day we were elected, we have taken an oath to serve to the best of our ability, to give our best for the people of our state, to serve the best in every manner. And till date, I am standing here trying to do my best because I've taken an oath. I take this very, very seriously. I would warn all our athletes who have taken the pledge that it should not just be something that we've taken a pledge here and then we forget the moment we leave this venue. There's something that you take it in yourself as athletes, as sports lovers, that you take it in yourself, be dedicated and make sure that whatever pledges that you've taken, that you try and fulfill all of that. So with that being said, just one note that in the past 2.5 years, I've met a lot of athletes from our state, from different parts of our state, be it from Garo Hills, Janja Hills or the Khasi Hills. I've met many athletes. And most of the times we have certain programs in the capital of our state, in Shillong city, where our athletes have to travel all the way from, let's say, from Ranikor, from Motsunram or from Tura, or from Joy and the rest of the state. So it's very difficult for them, and especially it's very difficult for our associations because they have to provide them with accommodation, they have to provide them with transportation. There's a lot of burden with our associations as well. So with that, keeping in mind where we've met so many associations, we've met so many athletes, all these problems that they're facing, I would like to, state here that recently we've had a meeting where we have decided that all of these problems, maybe not 100 out of 100, but maybe some part of it, we as a government can look into it. And we have decided that very soon we will be having the sports hostel, dedicated sports hostel for the athletes of our state in Polo SRGT at the amount of 100 crores, where we will be constructing the hostels for the athletes of our state. So from here onwards, maybe after that project is done, all the athletes traveling from different parts of our state, the associations would not have to take that burden of providing accommodation for them. Maybe it won't be acceptable, but we're trying, and just to ease that problem, we are coming up with this hostel for the athletes of our state. So that being said, there are so many things that we're doing in sports, and I believe in the next 2 to 3 years, there's a lot that we have to do. And before I conclude my speech, I would request each and every one of you to work hand in hand, all the associations to work hand in hand with the government, because at the end of the day, we all have the same vision, the same goal, that is to provide the best for our athletes. So with these few words, I...
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't take a note, remember once more.